let's start making our paper photo frame. So for that we will need 4 sheets of paper. We will fold it and cut it to make it a square sheet. Now we will take one sheet from it, fold it into half and fold one side of the sheet to the middle like this, and then take this flap, fold it towards this place, and then turn the sheet, fold it like this and tuck this flap inside the pocket. Now we need to do this to all our 4 sheets. Now we have folded all our 4 sheets. Now we will take one sheet, take glue, put it on the edge like this, take another sheet and then put it over here. Nicely press it so that it stays in place. Now take another one, glue on its edge, and then stick it. Take another one, put glue on its corner, and then stick it. Now take our first one, put glue on its corner and stick it to the 4th one like this. Now we have a nice photo frame that is made of paper. Now we need to decorate it. Now we need to decorate this. I am going to decorate its edges. So let's decorate it and come. Now we have decorated our photo frame. Now we need 4 more frames like this. We'll keep them all aside. Now we will take some cardboard that is cut out into a circle. We will stick a black chart paper on it. You can even paint the cardboard. So I am going to stick this. So there, we have stuck the black piece of chart. Now what we need to do is, we need to decorate this cardboard piece. So for that, I am going to take some mirror cutouts, and then slowly stick it around this thing. Now we have finished sticking the mirror cutouts. Now we must do something in the middle.
Now we need a piece of glitter paper.
So now we are going to fold this glitter paper into half and cut this. Now we need to fold this 3 times and then cut it to make a flower. Now we will take this flower. Now stick it here at the center. Now we will take one mirror piece and stick it at the center of the flower. There. Now we are going to take some glitter paper and make leaves to stick it around the flower. Now we can put 2 more small flowers over here. Now we will take 2 small pieces of paper, fold it 3 times and then cut it. Now we'll take a glue and stick this here and here. Now we will take some mirror and then stick it on its center. There. Now we have this one. Now we will take one sheet of newspaper and take a skewer and start rolling it.
And when you rolled it enough, take out the skewer.
And stick it, divide it into half and paint it. So we will do this and get back. Now I have divided this into 2 and painted it with blue. So now we must do one thing with this. So we will take our sticks. We will need 12 of such sticks. So now we will take 4 sticks and place it like this. Now we will take few shorter ones and place it between the large ones. Now we must staple this into place. So we'll take a stapler, take our outer layer and start stapling it. So now what we need to do is, we need to tape this with this. So we will tape all the 4 and come back. Now I have stapled and stuck the inner border. Now we are going to take 2 sticks like this and staple them over here and stick it over here. And like that itself, we'll take other 2 sticks and do it like this. So let's do it. So I have stapled and taped the newspaper rolls. So now we must take a cardboard decorative item and stick it over here. Now I'm going to use double-sided. I'm going to use some tape to stick it at place. There, we have fixed it. Now we will take one of our frames. Before we put the frames into the stand, we must take a photo and put it into the frame. So first flip the frame and you can see few flaps. Using these flaps, we will put our photo into this frame. So we will take the photo, put one corner, put all the corners into the flaps, and there we have put the photo into the frame. So we need to put the photos in all the frames before we attach it to the stand.
So now I am not putting the photos in the frame. So now we will take one frame and stick it over here.
So now we will take some glue and stick it over here. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye bye.